Let's get straight to it. AI is everywhere, and it's not just hype. It's a real opportunity to make money right now. You don't need a tech degree or a big investment. All you need is a computer and internet. This is like the early days of the internet. Those who jump in early can build real wealth. AI is your shortcut. It can write, design, analyze, and even build simple software for you. The playing field is level. You don't need to be a pro writer, designer, or marketer anymore. AI tools fill those gaps, letting you focus on your ideas while they handle the technical stuff. Anyone can compete now, regardless of background. Forget the idea that you're too late or not smart enough. That's just an excuse. We're in the first inning of the AI revolution, and the tools are getting better every day. This guide will show you exactly how to use AI to make real money. No vague theories, just actionable steps. The opportunity is right in front of you. The only question, will you grab it? The AI gold rush is here, and you're invited. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. The tools are accessible, affordable, and waiting for you. You can start from zero and build something real. The future belongs to those who take action now. Let's dive in. One of the fastest ways to make money with AI? Content creation. Every business needs blog posts, social media updates, and newsletters, and AI can do most of the heavy lifting. Your role, direct, edit, and polish the AI's work to fit your client's needs. Start by signing up for an AI writing tool like ChatGPT or Jasper. Find clients on Upwork, Fiverr, or by emailing small businesses directly. Offer a free sample article to get your foot in the door. When you get a topic, prompt your AI tool for a draft, then fact-check and personalize it. You add the human touch that makes content valuable. A beginner can charge $50 for a 1,000-word blog post. Using AI, you can deliver in about an hour. Do one article a day, 5 days a week, and you're at $1,000 a month. As you get faster, you can take on more clients and increase your rates. You're not just selling words, you're selling a solution to businesses that need to attract customers online. AI is your secret weapon for speed and quality. The demand is huge and growing. Start simple, deliver quality, and scale up as you go. Content creation with AI is your entry point. Grab it. Content writing is just the start. AI can power a whole freelancing business. Offer services like social media management, email marketing, and graphic design, all with AI tools. For example, manage a business's Instagram for $300, $500 a month. Use AI to write captions, generate images, and schedule posts. Or write and manage weekly email newsletters. AI drafts, you edit, and you charge $200 a month for an hour's work a week. Bundle your services. Offer a content marketing package with blog posts, social media, and newsletters for $800 a month. Clients love the convenience. You love the scalability. With just a few clients, you can build a solid income from anywhere. You're not just a freelancer, you're an AI-powered agency. The key, use the right AI tool for each job and deliver consistent value. Specialize, bundle, and scale. The freelancing empire is within reach. Start with one service, then expand as you master the tools. AI makes it possible. Now make it profitable. You don't need to code to build and sell AI-powered tools. No-code platforms let you create custom AI apps with drag-and-drop simplicity. Example: build a real estate listing pro tool that writes property descriptions for agents. Charge a monthly subscription. Use OpenAI's custom GPTs or similar platforms to create specialized assistants for any niche. The process: define a problem, train your AI with examples, and launch it on a simple website. Charge $10 a month and scale to hundreds of users. Other ideas: AI meal planners, cover letter writers, or YouTube idea generators. Find a repetitive task in a niche, automate it, and sell access. Build once, sell many times. True digital leverage. You go from AI user to AI creator. No code, no problem, just creativity and action. The market is wide open for simple, useful AI tools. Start building and watch your digital asset grow. Let's be real. AI isn't a magic money button. Challenge 1: quality control. AI can make mistakes or sound robotic. Your job: edit, fact check, and personalize. Be the human filter. Clients pay for results. not just AI output. Challenge 2 competition. Many will offer similar services, some at rock-bottom prices. Don't race to the bottom, specialize in a niche and build a brand. Be the go-to expert for a specific client type, not a generalist. Quality and specialization always beat cheap and generic. Build a simple portfolio and gather testimonials. Stand out by delivering excellence and focusing on value. The winners are those who combine AI with real expertise. Meet Sarah, a regular person who used AI to earn $1,000 a month on the side. She started with no special skills, just a willingness to learn. Sarah focused on blog writing for small businesses, using AI tools to speed up her work. She learned the basics, created a simple Upwork profile, and offered free samples to build her portfolio. Her first paid gig was $40 for a blog post. She edited the AI draft, added her touch, and impressed the client. That led to more work, positive reviews, and new clients. Within 2 months, she had 3 regular clients and was earning over $1,000 a month, working about 10 hours a week. She didn't quit her day job, but her side income gave her freedom and confidence. Sarah's story proves you don't need to be a genius. Just take action, deliver quality, and be consistent. Start small, learn as you go, and let AI multiply your efforts. If Sarah can do it, so can you. Tools matter, but mindset matters more. See yourself as a lifelong learner. AI evolves fast, and so should you. Spend a little time each week learning new tools and techniques. Stay curious and adaptable. Every new AI feature is a chance to get ahead. Don't wait for the perfect plan. Start now, even if it's imperfect. Action beats endless research. Your first attempts won't be perfect, and that's okay. Learn by doing, not just thinking. Be resilient. Expect rejection and setbacks, but don't take them personally. Every no is a step closer to a yes. Criticism is feedback, not failure. The people who win are the ones who keep going. See challenges as data, not dead ends. Adopt a mindset of growth and resilience. With the right mindset, you're unstoppable. You have the blueprint and the strategies. Now it's time to act. The gap between you and your first dollar online isn't knowledge, it's action. Don't wait for tomorrow. Take one small step in the next 10 minutes. Open a new tab, go to Upwork or ChatGPT, and create a free account. That's your first step. It takes 5 minutes and makes your goal real. Tomorrow, write 1 sentence in your profile. The next day, draft a sample article. Small, consistent steps build empires. AI is the most powerful tool available to you right now. You don't need permission, a degree, or a big budget. Just a willingness to learn and take action. The opportunity is real and waiting for you. Don't let it pass you by. Your journey starts with your next click. Start now. The AI Gold Rush is yours to join.